What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sal, man, back at it with a new video. Just wanted to start the intro a little bit different since my wife and my son are asleep. So I'm like, you know what? What's better to do than just to be quiet and just give you guys a little show with quiet. So yeah, let me know down below what y'all think of that. Leave a comment. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's share this video. Let's get it up to 10,000 I don't know. Let's just run it up, bruh. But just like that, let's head to the gym. And as y'all saw, the Ferrari is gonna be the ride right now.
More than you can afford, pal. Ferrari.
And I'll talk to you guys about what else we're doing today. We're doing a few things today, M3. We'll go over that after we're done with the gym. So let's hit the road.
Later.
Chill, bruh. So as I told y'all before, man, my area is full of cops, so I can't really go more than 35 miles per hour. So slow down, baby. You know what I'm saying? But gotta be careful. But if y'all wanted me to do a full review of the SF90, leave a comment down below, let me know, and I'll do a full video for y'all. We'll do some pulls, some too easy stuff in there, you know. Y'all let me know, man. I'm still trying to figure out this YouTube thing. I hope y'all like the content so far. If y'all have any suggestions, please let me know. Don't hesitate. Leave a comment, let me know, hey Sal, do this, do that, whatever. And please, 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 if you can hit a like on this video, it will help me out a lot. Share it as much as you can. But yeah, just like that, let's hit the gym.
19! Me, son! Yeah!
One eternity later.
All right, y'all, just finished up the workout, man. You know what I'm saying? Your boy feeling good. I'm gonna do a quick pull for y'all, man. Oh, shit. Ooh. Woo-wee. This car is crazy, bruh. It's crazy, bruh. About to smoke some people in this car for sure, for sure. Come on, man. What you doing, bruh? Come on, man. What's going on, guys? Oh, what? What is this guy doing, man? No, no, no! Yeah, guys, let me head to the house, change up, and then we're gonna head out in the M3. I'll see y'all. I'm gonna skip all that. I'm gonna get straight to it.
Later.
All right, man. About to pull out the M3, so we can head out, and then I'll let you guys. I'll explain to you guys what we're doing to it here shortly. Let me just pull it out, and of course, gotta give y'all a cold start. Yo, so we in the M3, bruh. Oof, oof. Listen to that. I haven't driven it. Whoa. We jerking, bruh. Got some jerking action going on, you know.
Floor it? No, don't floor it. Okay, floor it. No.
So, as y'all know, we pretty much burnt the clutch on the M3. So today we're taking it to my boy TJ. Y'all seen him in my previous videos. And we're about to turn up the M3, bruh. We're about to make it the fastest M3 in the world. For real. So y'all stay tuned. And we're gonna head over to Mr. TJ's shop. And we're gonna see what kind of BS he's on today, bruh. Alrighty, what are we gonna go do, man?
What's up?
What are we about to go do?
I don't know.
You don't know? You have no idea?
Try you going with Jan?
Nah, man.
Bullshit, huh?
Uh-huh. Yes, sir. So what happened with the airbag, bro?
I don't know, man. We take it to people, to Wally people, and they take it too long already.
Uh-huh.
They got almost like, we have 2 months with the airbag already.
No. Wait. Okay.
He said he just gonna fix little thing there. What he say?
I don't know. You tell me. You're the one that was handling that situation.
Man, that's a Wally people. Come on, brother.
But yeah, we're about to head over to, first actually we're gonna make a quick stop somewhere that's really cool. I'm trying to film for y'all. I'll see if I can. I probably can. It's a friend of mine that has like crazy car collection. How many cars do you think he has? Don't say names.
Oh,
How many cars do you think he has?
Around maybe like 14, 15.
And they're all crazy, huh?
And more, maybe more.
Yeah. So
I think he has some crazy Ferrari collection.
he has like 7 Ferraris, no?
It's a big dog, man.
Yeah, big guy, man. So we heading over to his house, and his house is freaking insane. It's like $8-9 million house. So we're about to head over there. I'm gonna try to film as much as I can. I don't want to make him uncomfortable. I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek, man. I'm not trying to film his house too much, but y'all get it. Let's see, look at this, man. It's crazy, dog. Crazy. All right, y'all, we just made it to DJ. How was that M5?
Oh, I love it.
What would you rate it out of 10?
10?
10?
Yes, sir.
So this is the car that we just picked up from my boy's house. It's a 2025 M5. So as y'all see, he wants me to get some stuff done to it. So you know, we're gonna hook your boy up. We're dropping off my M3 right there. Let me show you the interior on this car. Hey, Eddie! I don't know where this boy went. He just walked off. Inside like he owned the shop. Eddie! Man, where'd this boy go? What the hell?
Later.
New body style or the older ones?
Both.
Both? Now the interior on this is crazy right here. Look at this. Oof. Interior on this is top level, man. Carbon everywhere. You feel like you in 2025 for real.
Have it there.
Huh?
This is the blue one that he got Harry parking there.
No, I think it's a different one. This looked like it was wrecked.
It's the same. The
Oh,
red,
shit,
white
for real?
interior, see? It's the same
Dang. Now, y'all be careful out here, man.
Oh,
We've been
yeah.
driving reckless for real, man.
Got his from the back. From here,
Let me
see?
see.
Hey, talk to him. Maybe we can take it to the shop, brother. See?
Woo-wee. What you say?
This bike. See?
What is this? What the f is that? Should I race it?
Hell yeah.
Who do you think will win?
Maybe the bike, bro.
You gonna drive it or what? You gonna ride it?
Yeah.
All right, so I just spoke to TJ. He actually stepped out for lunch. We pulled up a little bit late because of Eddie. I'm gonna give the key to one of his guys. So pretty much he's gonna install the new clutch that we have for the car, and he's gonna turn up the boost as much as he can. So right now the car makes like 720. Probably gonna try to get it to mid 8s maybe, and then we're gonna do a dyno video for y'all. So y'all stay tuned for that. Amigo, I'm gonna give you the key, okay? Leave a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one.